And people crowded around the courthouse, some supporting Trump, others not supporting him, protesting rather.
Yeah, DC News Now's Daniel Hamburg is outside of the federal courthouse.
Now, Daniel, you said earlier things were relatively calm. How did people react to Trump pleading not guilty?
Well, Annalise and Mark, this was something that was expected, that he was going to plead not guilty. So from our vantage point here, there really was no fanfare surrounding the actual pleading in the courtroom. It has been calm mostly all afternoon, with just pockets of protesters against the former president and people supporting the former president. There are groups walking around with signs that said justice, while others were flying those Trump flags that said Trump 2024. A lot of people around here, but not that many as you may have expected. There were some pockets of people going back and forth with each other, using megaphones and kind of screaming or loudly talking at each other. But for the most part, there were no big incidents here. Police around the perimeter didn't have to make any arrests from what we saw today. Again, when he arrived and when he left, since it was at the back of the courthouse, we did not see much from where most of the media is set up here in front of the courthouse along Pennsylvania Avenue. But I did talk with two people here in D.C. Who came to show their support and also share their opinions about the indictment in court. Take a listen.
Clearly, there is an attempt to use lawfare to keep Donald Trump off of the ballot. We saw it in 2020 with many races, including Ryan Kelly's governor race up in Michigan, using January 6th as a means to silence political opponents.
I mean, it's sad that a president would try to do what he did, but I think it's a great day for democracy that finally he is brought to trial.
So as you just heard Chris say, former President Trump headed back to the airport. Most people here are dispersing, but for now we're live in Northwest. Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.